Hello friends, my name is Joydeep Burman. This is another video of DDC practical. In previous video we have learned how to add two notation from different parts of schedule by add to instruction. Without instruction we cannot add the notation. We have learned how to add two notation by add to instruction. Okay, in this video we will do some more practices. Okay. So let's start. Here is another example, museums of motor cars. This is a museum and it is specific for motor cars. So the museum is in DDC, the museum is under generalities. We know the notation of generalities, it is 000, the main class 000, main class generalities. Under generalities in 060, this notation is for general organization and museology. Museology means the science of museum. Okay. Under 060 in 069 there is this notation is for museology. Okay. Only for museology. In 060 this notation is for general organization and museology, and under 060 in 069 this notation is for only for museology. Okay. Under museology in 069.9 there is museums devoted to specific disciplines and subject. In our case the subject is motor cars, and here you will get an instruction to add the specific subject. The instruction is add 001-999 to base number 069.9. Our base number will be 069.9. That is why I have written beside the 069.9 base number in square bracket. Here is the instruction, that is why I have written here base number. Okay. Now we have to add the notation of motor cars. From where we will add the notation? Here is the instruction. We can add the notation from 001-999. That means in schedule the number from 001 to 999. That means the whole schedule. We can add the number from the whole schedule. Almost the whole schedule. There is only one number left. This number is 000. Okay. So we can add the notation from the schedule. Okay. So in schedule 629.2 there is this notation is for motor land vehicles. Okay. So I have written here this notation for the motor cars, and our synthesis will be I have written the base number 069.9, this is our base number, plus 629.2. This 629.2, this notation is for motor cars. Okay, we have added this notation by add instruction. Okay. Now you can see here in there is a two notation. One is for museums devoted to specific discipline, and one is for motor cars. And in two notation there is two dot after 3 digit, but whenever we will write the class number we have to use only one dot, that is only one dot. We cannot use the second dot of the second notation from the second notation. Okay. I have written the notation, I have written the class number. Here I have I have taken the first 3 digit, that is 069. I have written here 069, and after that I have used dot according to the rules of written the class number. Okay. After the dot I have written another 3 digits. This 3 digits is 962. Okay. And after this 3 digit I have given a space. This is the rules. After first 3 digit you have to use dot, after second 3 digit you have to give a space. After giving space I have written the rest of the notation. This notation is 9 2. Okay. If the notation is there is another after, if here is a, in our case after the dot there is only 5 digits, that is why I have written the 3 digit after space 3 digit. If there is a there is 7 digit, then how can we will write this 7 digit after the dot? We have to write the 3 digit after 3 digit we have to give a space, after that we have to write the another 3 digit, after this 3 digit we have to give a space, then we have to use another 1 digit. Okay. In every 3 digit after dot, in every 3 digit after every 3 digit we will give a space. Okay. This is the rules of written the class number of DDC. Okay. Now we will do another type of example. If there is an instruction, I have written the instruction add to base number xxx. Xxx means the notation. Okay, the number following xxx in xxxx. Here xxx means the notation. Here the instruction was add 000-999 to base number 069.9. Okay, but here the instruction is some different. Here the instruction is different. In this case, in this type of instruction, we can add the only part of notation, not the whole notation. In this case, we have used the whole notation of motor vehicles, because the instruction was to add the whole notation, but in this case we have to use the notation, the number after the following the some digit. Okay, I will show you with the example. Okay, that is why I have written here addition of segment or parts from other part of schedule. Whenever we how to add the part of the notation from the other part of the schedule. Okay. Here is an example, wages in textile industries. Wages is under economics, wages is part of economics, and economics is part of social science. So our analysis is 300 main class social science, 330 economics, and under economics 331 this notation is for labor economics, and under labor economics dot 2 means 331.2. in schedule the subdivision of the notation has been written in this way, that is why I have written this in this way. Dot 2 we have to use, I have written dot 2 under the 331, that means the dot 2 means 331.2. Okay, you have to understand it. Okay, in dot 2 under 331 in dot 2 you will get this notation is for wages. Okay, under wages dot 28 for wages in specific industry. In our case wages in textile industry, so here the notation wages in specific industry. Under wages in specific industries in dot 2 dot 282 dash dot 289 equal to this this notation is for extractive manufacturing construction, that means extractive industry, manufacturing industry, construction industries. Okay, under this notation you will get the instruction. The instruction is add to base number 331.28. Our base number will be 331.28. That is why I have written the base number after the 28. 28 means 331.28. In circular bracket I have written base number. Instruction is add to base number 331.28 the number following 6 in 602-69 0. We can add the notation from where? Schedule, from the schedule of the 620-690. We can add the notation from 620 to 690 only. From here we can add, but we have to follow the digit 6. We cannot use the whole notation. This instruction, there is an instruction to follow the first digit, that means 6. In schedule, in 677 you will get the notation for textile. In our case, this industry, textile industry, wages in textile industry, you will get the notation 677. This notation is in between 620-690, this notation. That is why I have written this notation. We can add the notation only between 620 to 690. This notation is between 620 and 690, this notation is 677 textile. So, I have written the whole number 677 equal textile, but I have underlined the digit 6. Why I have underlined? Because I have to follow the digit, I have to exclude this digit, because there is a instruction to following the digit 6. Okay, that is why in the synthesis I have written base number, that is 331.28 base number, and after that I have given a plus sign. After that I have written the 2 digit by following the digit 6. Okay, I have excluded the digit 6 and I have written only 77. Okay, this 77 is from the 677. There is an instruction to following the digit 6, that is why I have not written the digit 6. Okay, I have written only the 77. Okay. Now, I have in the next line I have written the class number, I have written 331.287, and after 287 I have given a space, and after space I have written 7. So, in this case this is an example of adding the some part of the notation. In the previous case we have added the whole notation, we have added here the whole notation of motor car. We have not followed any digit, because there is not instruction for the following digit, but here the instruction is different instruction. Here the instruction is the following the digit 6, we have to follow the digit 6. After following the digit we can add the notation. Okay, that is why I have written the notation after following the digit 6. Okay. Now, this is a now I want to show you one thing. Here is the screenshot of the schedule. Here is the here under the 331, here in .28 means 331.28. I have show you why I have written this .28, .2, .28, because in schedule this is written in that way. .28 the wages in specific industries and occupation and specific groups in industry and occupation. I have written in short way wages in specific industry. Okay, I have written the notation from here 331.28. .28 means 331. You can see the 331 in the top of the page 331, and under 331 this is the subdivision of 331.2, and under .28 here the .28 dash .289, here is the instruction extractive manufacturing construction. That means the industry of extractive industry, manufacturing industry and construction industry. Under extractive manufacturing construction there is the instruction add to base number 331 dot, here is the instruction, I zoom in the, here is the add to base number 331.28 the number following 6 in 620-690. So, that is why I have written the same instruction here in the same way, okay. So, this is the schedule, you can check the schedule. Okay. Now, this is another example. Religious experience in Buddhism. So, this is the document of religious document. This is a religious document. Buddhism, we know Buddhism is a kind of religion. So, we know the main class of religion is 200. I have written here 200 main class religion. In the case of religion, from 200 to 289, this notation is for the Christian religion. Okay. Okay. I repeat, from 200 dash to 89, the whole notation, this notation is for Christian religion. From 290 to 299, from 290 to 299, this notation is for the other religion. In our case, this is the Buddhism, that is Buddhism. This document is for Buddhism. So, this notation will be from in between 290 to 299. So, in 294, there is the notation, this notation is for religion of Indic origin, and under 294 dot 3 means 294.3, this notation is for Buddhism, and under Buddhism in dot 34 there is the notation for doctrine and practices, and under doctrine and practices you will get the instruction to add the notation. Here is the instruction, add to base number 394.34. I have written the base number after the dot 34 in square bracket, and the number following 291, we have to follow the digit 29. Here in previous cases we have only follow one digit, in this case we have to follow the 3 digits. These digits are 291. In 291.2-291.4. So, we have to find the notation from the 291.2 to here dash means 2, from here to there. So, from 291.2 to 291-.4. Okay, we have to find the notation from this notation only, from here to here, from 291 to from 291.2 to from 291.2 to 291.4. Okay. Here I will see you. Here is the notation. This page is from the 291. Here is under 291. You can see here where here is written 291. Under 291, this notation is the subdivision of 291. So, here is the notation doctrines in dot 2, and this is, and dot 21 object worship. These all are the subdivision. We have to find the notation for the religious experience from the 291.2 to 291.4. That means from doctrines to religious experience life dot 4, from here. Here means dot 4 means the all subdivision of 4. That means the all of all these number. We can find the notation. Here we have got the notation from Buddhism. Now we have to add the notation of religious expression, but From where we will add the notation? Here is the instruction. We can add the notation from, here is the instruction, from the 291.2 to 291.4. So, this space, in this space here is the notation under the 291.2 to 291.4. Under 291.4, here is the notation for religious experience. This means dot 42. That means this notation is 291.42. Okay, for the religious experience. I have written 291.42, but I have to follow that first 3 digits because there is the instruction for following the first 291. That is why I have to follow the 291. I have written the synthesis 294.34. This is our base number, and after base number I have given the plus sign. After plus sign I have written the 42. This 42 means 291.42. Okay, I have taken the only the 42 after following the digit 291. Okay, our class number will be 294.344 space 2. Now, there is another instruction, acquisition of manuscripts in libraries. We know this all terms is from the library science. We know we have done practice of library science. Library science is under main class of generalities. So, I have written the main class here 000 main class generalities. After generalities we have written the notation for library and information science, that is 020. Here in under 020, in 025 there is library operation. There that means in 025 all kinds of library operation you will get the notation under the 025. Library operation means housekeeping operation, all type of, that means selection, acquisition, cataloging, classification, these all types of operation. The notation of these all types of notation, these all types of operation, the notation of these all types of operation you will get from under the 025. Okay, library operation. Okay. So, here in our case the acquisition, only we have to find out the notation of acquisition. So, under 025 dot in dot 2 means 025.2, there is the notation, there is acquisition, and under acquisition dot 28 selection and acquisition of material in specific form. I want to show you, in dot 2 I want to show you another thing here. 025, here I have written 025.2 acquisition. Under acquisition in our case acquisition of manuscript. Manuscript means one form means form of document. We know documents are in many forms. Some documents are in book form, some are in journal form, some document in CD. This is also a document CD, but the form is different, electronic form. Some is PDF form. These all are the documents of library. Okay, but the form is another. Here our in cases this material is in the form of manuscript. Okay, this is not book form. This document is in the form of manuscript. Okay, I want to show you here under 025.2, that is acquisition, you will get this notation .27. This .27, this notation is for selection and acquisition of materials on specific subject. If have to add the notation of specific subject, So that in that cases we will take the notation dot 27. I will give here is an example. If there is a acquisition of materials in social science is another, is one kind of subject, specific subject kind of subject. Selection and acquisition in mathematics books, acquisition of mathematics books, acquisition of library science book, acquisition of chemistry book. So there is a specific kind of subject. If we if the acquisition is in specific kind of subject, then we have to take the notation of 025.27. In our case, I have taken the notation 025.28. That means I have taken this notation. This notation is for selection and acquisition of materials in specific forms. I have told that this document is in form of manuscript. This is not book form, this is not CD form, this is not map, this is not a PDF form, this is not JPG form, this is in manuscript form. So that is why I have taken this notation, the specific form. I have taken this acquisition of materials in special form and specific form. Okay. So under this, there you will get the instruction to add the form. This notation not indicating the form. This notation is not indicating the form of manuscript. You have to go to the special form, and under the special form you will get to instruction to add the specific kind of form. So that is why I have written here .28 selection and acquisition of materials in special form, because this document is form in manuscript form. So under here here you will get the instruction to add the form. In our case this form is manuscript. You can add the notation of manuscript from here. Okay, here is the instruction. So here is the instruction. I have gone through the instruction. Add to base number 025.28 the number following 025.17 in 025.171 dash 025.179. So we have to find out the notation from 025.171 to 025.179. Okay, the notation. So in 02 you will get the notation of manuscript in 025.171.12. Okay, you will get the notation of manuscript from here. So I have underlined the digit 025.17 because here is the instruction, the number following 025.17. That is why I have given this digit underline. I have underlined this digit. Okay. Our synthesis will be 025.28, and after that I have given here a plus sign, and after that I have written only 12. This 12 I have taken from the notation 025.1712. Okay. According to instruction I have followed the digit 025.17. After following this 5 digit, I have taken only the 2 digit. These digits are 1 and 2. Our class number will be 025.18 025.281 space 2. Okay, friends, I hope you have understood today's topic. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and comment on my video. So, please comment on my video what type of video you need. So, your on the basis of your comment, I will make the video for you. Okay. So, take care. Bye bye.